Hey, I've talked a lot about uh, having wild cows or not wanting wild cows or having some cows that were tame or gentle. And these are some of my favorites right here. This is Clara. She lost a calf a few weeks ago. Over there's Bertha. And these are just big old pets. They just want to be rubbed on and scratched and all kinds of stuff all the time. I was petting Bertha there, and then Clara walked up, and she was a little bit jealous. So Clara's getting some petting now. But one thing that you can do to keep your animals gentle is when you feed them every day, talk to them. Let them hear your voice. Let them know what your voice sounds like. Be around them, and if they won't let you pet them at first, don't worry about that. They eventually, most likely, will if you spend enough time with them and if you talk around them and they get used to hearing you. They know you're not going to bother them. They know you're not going to hurt them or anything like that. Uh, but I talk to my animals and I pet them, even brush them sometimes. I mean, just like a horse, we'll brush them down, rub them, talk to them, and all kinds of stuff. But that's one of the main things that you can do is just talk to them and let them hear your voice. You can see these animals are just really, really gentle and really tame, and it's because they've been worked with, they've been talked to, they've been petted and rubbed. I have my camera. I thought I had it working, but apparently it was cut off there just a minute ago. I was just kind of standing here like this. Next thing I know, she had my hand in her mouth, and I don't know if I had something on my hand that she was liking or what, but she was acting like my hand was a salt block. She was just licking all over my hand, wasn't you, Bertha? Yeah, these girls, they've been really worked with and spent a lot of time with them. Oh, here comes, yeah, there's Clara. Apparently, yeah, Clara's going to try it too now. She's going after my hand. What's the matter? I don't know. Maybe haven't handled a salt block or a mineral block or anything, but uh, they're uh, they're going after my hand. They really like that, don't you, girls? Um, you guys should all try and work with your animals. Doesn't matter if you have horses, cows, dogs, cats, or whatever. The more time you spend with them, the more time that they hear your voice and they realize that you're there to take care of them and stuff. They're going to gentle down and aren't you? Yeah, they're going to gentle down and they'll be easy to deal with and easy to work with. I just wanted to show you these animals this evening. Really, I've got a couple of cows that I'm really watching. They're fixing to have calves, so that's why I'm out here at this time in the evening, just before dark, checking on them. But while I was checking on them, I just wanted to show you the cows that I got here, kind of how gentle they are and stuff like that. But hey, I appreciate y'all watching the Small Time Farming channel. Y'all be sure to check out some of the other content we got on here. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. Feel free to drop a comment in the section below. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching the Small Time Farming channel.